Hey guys, so today we are at Storyland.
Yay!
We're gonna go under a tunnel to get over there.
It says only walking. Yeah, it says only walking. No running.
Leave it alone. No, it was a chipmunk. It's like you're 45 inches.
45 inches. And
How tall is Harper?
hey, stop! Hyper is tall to go on.
Looks like she's 40 inches. You girls ready?
I'm 46.
Kind of a rainy day here at Storyland,
Yeah,
but we pretty much have the place to ourselves.
Yeah.
Where are we going first, Harper?
There we go. On. Oh no, the back is half wet.
Hey guys, look over here.
I'm getting off right now. There we go. Mom, now we're cloud. Mama. We're going on the playground. Mommy, I got stickers. I got stickers. I'll put myself.
But there goes some more. Oh, stop. That's enough. Hello, and boys and girls. Do you like a riddle? I've got some I know. Just yell out the answer you gotta guess. You know what you get if you cross a red with a yellow.
Stop. Look hard. Look hard.
Oh, are you?
Ah! The shark's getting me! No! No!
I'll try.
Hailey! See what dinosaurs we can find, Harper.
Let's go to it. Hey, there's a
Let's come look.
That's a brontosaurus.
Little family of Triceratops.
What's the name?
What's this one over here? Parasaurolophus? Where's the pterodactyl? Did you find any bones? Here we go.
Also on your right side, I've got shoes. They go up and they go down. And oh, everybody say good morning to the Storyland duck family. Hi, everybody.
Come on.
Okay, you want to sit back there? All right, guys, here we go. Hang on. We're heading down Safari Road. They say snakes are good luck, but I don't believe it. We have the mom and dad ostrich here to the right, waiting for that baby chick to hatch. So it has been raining the most of the morning, like you folks have seen. So our little river stream is a little bit high, but we're down for that. We're now entering our summer camp for kids from all over the world. Whoa, watch that crocodile just coming out of the water. Keep your arms and hands inside. And say hi to Tiny off to your right side.
King Kong?
So they have many things to do here in the summer camp. So one of the favorites is the turtle sailing like you see in the pond, as well as turtle surfing. They also like to play baseball. That's why we brought in Jake the Snake. He can play the infield as well as the outfield. The kids play in between. Having coffee this morning with a security guy, he told me a bunch of buckets were missing. Well, guess what? The monkeys monkeying around built themselves a Ferris wheel. So we brought in them 2 giraffes to keep an eye on them. Like every community, we have a post office. We have 3 types of mail here in the safari area. We have the 3rd class mail. I'm not sure we have air mail anymore. Alright, y'all saw that crocodile earlier. Well, this is his brother. Watch out. Keep your arms and hands inside.
Oh no, a crocodile.
We're now coming up onto the oldest bridge in the safari. They assure me that it'll hold the weight of a bull elephant, which that's good because we don't weigh that much. Off to your right is Mal, the water buffalo. He'll be here for the whole afternoon. Off to our left we have pink flamingos. We have some zebras on both sides of the road. If you look closely, you'll see they all have stripes, but each and every zebra has a different pattern of stripes. That's to help them hide from their predators. All right, folks, give yourself a hand. We're all the way back to the front. Once we go by, make sure you say hey to Dave and Pierre off to the right of us.
Oreo. Okay, oh, next. Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh, this one? All right, let's go, girls. Thank you.
Let's go, me. Open the door, Mom.
No, let's sit over here, Hailey. Well, oh no, what happened? Oh no. What did you do to that thing? This one over here. You girls ready?
Yeah! Mom!
Oh.
Have a nice day.
But we're happy. Harper is so next to me.
Harper, look over here. Come on, girls. It says park exit.
What?
Park exit.
Right exit.
Mm-hmm.
That way. Mom, is it this way?
Yep.
Okay, look at that dinosaur. That's good.
Putting a new dinosaur in, huh?
Oh, there's a crab. Look at that dinosaur. I'm done. It's not.
Harper, look at these dinosaur kits.
Look at this dinosaur.
Ah.
Well, I'm looking at that Ceratops.
Well, what about these? Look at this. Dinosaur skull excavation kit.
Whoa,
You got some awesome dinosaur kits. Harper, let me see what you got.
T-Rex.
You got Triceratops.
I got the Ceratops.
Hailey got a T-Rex.
But I don't drop it. That thing. When I don't drop my thing, I say boom like that when underwater.
Oh no.
That will happen.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know if you've ever been to Storyland.
Yeah! Whoa.
Oh no.
Oh, no.